Every single day, millions of people around the world get hacked. Their email accounts, their social media, their bank accounts, even their identities. Not because they are careless, not because they lack intelligence, but because they repeat small cybersecurity habits that feel normal, harmless, and routine. These mistakes are not dramatic. They do not feel dangerous, but combined, they create perfect opportunities for attackers. In this video, we will break down the biggest cybersecurity mistakes people make every single day and what you can do starting today to protect yourself. Let's start with the foundation of almost every online account: passwords. Many people still use short and simple passwords, common number patterns, dictionary words, names of pets, birthdays. The problem is not convenience. The problem is predictability. Hackers use automated systems called brute force tools and password dictionaries. These tools can test millions, sometimes billions of password combinations every second. A password that feels private to you may already exist in massive leaked databases online. If a password can be guessed, it will be guessed. Password reuse is one of the most underestimated risks in cybersecurity. Many people assume that if one site is hacked, their other accounts are safe. That assumption is wrong. When a website is breached, login credentials are often leaked or sold on underground forums. Attackers then automate login attempts across email providers, social platforms, financial services, and cloud storage. This technique is known as credential stuffing, and it works because humans value convenience over compartmentalization. One reused password can result in complete digital exposure. Software updates are one of the most misunderstood security mechanisms. Many people see update notifications as annoying interruptions, but in reality, updates exist to fix weaknesses. When a vulnerability is discovered, hackers often learn about it at the same time developers do. Once an update is released, attackers immediately begin targeting devices that remain unpatched. Delaying updates means choosing convenience over security, and outdated systems are always the first targets. Phishing attacks do not rely on weak systems. They rely on human reaction. Modern phishing emails are carefully designed. They copy logos, language patterns, email signatures, even writing style. They create urgency so you act before you think. Fear-based messages and authority-based messages are especially effective. Once you click, you may unknowingly hand over your login credentials. Technology can block many attacks, but awareness blocks the most dangerous ones. Public Wi-Fi networks are designed for access, not protection. Most of them lack encryption. This means data traveling between your device and the network can be intercepted. Attackers can monitor traffic, inject malicious content, or redirect you to fake websites. Without encryption or protection, your data becomes visible to anyone listening. Convenience should never outweigh confidentiality. Two-factor authentication adds a second layer of verification, something you know and something you have. Even if attackers steal your password, they still need that second factor. This single step prevents the majority of automated account takeovers. Security is not about perfection. It is about reducing risk to the point where attacks fail. Every post tells a story. Location check-ins, vacation photos, family details. When combined, this information creates a detailed personal profile. Attackers use this data to bypass security questions and personalize scams. Privacy erosion is rarely sudden. It happens post by post. Applications often request more access than necessary. Once permissions are granted, control is lost. Data can be collected, analyzed, or shared with third parties. Minimal access should always be the default. Trust must be intentional, not automatic. Cyber attacks are not personal. They are opportunistic. Attackers target systems, not individuals. Assuming immunity is the fastest way to exposure. If you are connected, you are included. Cybersecurity is not about fear. It is about control. Small, consistent habits create meaningful protection. Stay informed, stay disciplined, stay secure.